Namaste. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you subscribe. नीचे जो रेड बटन है उसको क्लिक करके आप मेरे चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें और अगर आप ऑलरेडी एक सब्सक्राइबर है तो थैंक यू सो वेरी मच फॉर सब्सक्राइबिंग टू माई चैनल एंड थैंक यू फॉर लाइकिंग माई ऑल वीडियोज़. आई होप आप मेरे वीडियोज़ को लाइक करते हो. तो अगर आपने लाइक नहीं किया अभी तक तो जाके लाइक कर दीजिए. So today's video is about a skincare video. Today I will be doing a haul and a review on a brand which is an Indian brand, which is an Indian skincare brand and equally affordable and very good quality, and that is Good Vibes. Like the name says Good Vibes and it actually provides you very good vibes. So today I have few products with me. I ordered these products from Purplle. मैंने इन सारे प्रोडक्ट्स को पर्पल के अनलॉक ब्यूटी सेल में ख़रीदा था, तो ये प्रोडक्ट्स मुझे बहुत सस्ते में मिले हैं एंड आई लिटरली गॉट सो मेनी प्रोडक्ट्स विथ मी टुडे. सो विदाउट फर्दर अडू लेट्स स्टार्ट द हॉल. So the first product I have with me right now is the Good Vibes Papaya Brightening Face Wash. So FYI, I have already tested all of the products, not all of the products except 2 products. I have tested the other 5 products and किसी भी प्रोडक्ट को यूज़ करके मुझे कोई इरिटेशन, रैश वगैरह कुछ नहीं हुआ. So I have tested all of them on me once. So I have already used this product once and it is the Papaya Brightening Face Wash. The best thing about all these products are these are paraben and cruelty free, which is very good. Good Vibes is an Indian brand and look at the packaging. The packaging is very sweet. This is from their papaya range. So in the MRP it's 195, but I don't remember the price I got it. So I will be putting the prices on the screen. And I used it. It has a very fruity smell. I like the smell personally. It doesn't smell like papaya, but it has a fruity smell. So I didn't wash my face. I will be using this product now because I didn't wash my face yesterday when I did, and actually it literally brightened and cleaned my face very properly. So you will see this when I come and when I go and wash my face. So now can you see that the brightness it added on my face? It literally cleans your face very perfectly. So I am a combination skin type. My T-zone is very oily and the rest of the face is dry. So if you are from a dry skin tone, I think this product will work perfectly because it does not dry your face after using it. So I think it's a good product for you as well. So I will be recommending this for combination skin type and dry skin type as well. So now the product I will be showing you is this charcoal activated charcoal deep cleansing face mask from Good Vibes. It has no parabens, no sulfates, cruelty free, no mineral oil, and it retails for $235. The original price will be on the screen. So for using it, they say scoop out a granular goodness through your gentle fingers. They suggest that we have to scoop out a fair amount of product from this and then we have to spread it with our fingers. You can even do it with a brush, but I will be doing it with my fingers. First clean our face and then apply it with our fingers and then keep this for 10 minutes and then clean it with water. So okay, let's try this. The packaging is very sleek. It looks like the candle holders we have and it's very sleek and beautiful. So yes, let's try the product. So the charcoal mask is tested and I like the product. Charcoal mask is actually used to like clean the dirt and exfoliate our skin. So I think it actually cleaned my face. I like the product. I have to use this for some more time and then I will be able to give a perfect review for this. Good Vibes Cucumber Gel. So I didn't use my I also didn't use this product. It is a gel which you can use both on your face, on your skin, and also on your hairs. It retails for 215 as they say, but the actual price will be on the screen. It has like 100 gram of products. Okay, so I forgot to tell you the actual weightage of the all the products, so it will be also on the screen. So yes, let's open this. Smells like cucumber, like literally it smells and looks like cucumber. It's clear. I really like this product. This will be a great alternative for a moisturizer because it actually moisturizes your skin and provides hydration to your skin. But at summer times I really don't prefer to apply moisturizer, so this will be a great product to provide me hydration. I really like this product. It will be like my handy dandy product from today because I love gel products. I don't prefer creamy products. I like gel products. So yes, this product is a win-win for me. And also it smells like cucumber. I like the smell of cucumber, and also it's creamy, it's cooling. So many reasons to like this product. Another product from the cucumber range, Good Vibes provides a lot of ranges, which is a plus point of Good Vibes. An Indian brand, and they have a lot of ranges. The products are very reasonable, like very reasonable. Everybody can afford that. So it's the Good Vibes Cucumber Glow Toner. It's from their cucumber range. I used this product yesterday, and trust me guys, this is the other product after that face wash that I will recommend you. Just go for this. Like, if you are feeling like so dry and your face needs hydration, if you are working on air conditioned room for a lot of time and you need hydration, this is the product you can go for very easily. It's a toner, you can just spray it on your face. I used this product yesterday and I really like this. I really like this. It retails for 175, but they say that it's a glow toner, so it provides glow. I don't know about the glow, but it definitely provides hydration. I have used this yesterday after I washed my face and then I applied this. This provide a lot of hydration to my face, so I will just spray it a little bit on my face because I already used the cucumber gel, so I don't need this, but okay, I will apply this one. These two products literally smell like the cucumber. So I am left with 3 products. I think you can see that my face is glowing because I can see that my face is glowing. Like, wow, these products are really good in working. So now I am left with 3 products. So the next 2 products are this. This is a serum and this is a facial oil. This is a tree tea and papaya oil control serum. It has 10 ml of products and it retails for rupees 225, which is the price I got in sale. I will be mentioning it on the screen. So it is a tea tree and papaya oil control serum. I used this twice, so I will tell you, I am not using it currently. I received this product the day before yesterday, so I used it in the afternoon, and the one thing I noticed that it instantly provides a glow to your face, and the glow is long lasting. This glow stays on your skin almost 8 to 12 hours, so it's a long lasting glow. But it is a oil control serum, so I wanted to taste if it actually controls oils. So every morning when I wake up, I see that my T-zone is very oily. Like, I don't know if you guys can see now, but it is still very oily. So I applied it yesterday night, and today morning when I woke up, I literally felt that my T-zone is very less oily. Like in normal days it is super oily. It feels like you can fry anything on with the oil. Today morning I felt like it is very less oily. Like there was a little bit oil on my nose area and that's it. There was no oil on my T-zones like here. So yes, this product actually controls oil, I can say that, and I like this product. So yes, the third product that I am recommending is this tea tree and papaya oil. If you have a oily skin and if you have a oily T-zone, you can go for this product, guys. So the next product I have with me is the Good Vibes Almond Skin Brightening Facial Oil. I didn't buy this for the skin brightening, and also I bought this because it says that it helps in fading dark circles, improves the skin texture, reduces uneven skin tone. So this actually helps in reducing uneven skin tone. If you are someone who have an uneven skin tone, if you have dark spots, you can go for this product. Try this once. It's oily, it makes your face oily but not like sticky. So yes, you can try this. You can try this at night, and yes, you have to just apply 2 to 3 drops of it, and that's it. That's how you have to apply this on your face. This helps in improving skin texture. So I have to try this some few more times to actually review this product. I will be either updating you on of these products on my vlogs, or you can follow me on Instagram, and I will be posting about these products on Instagram individually. So if you are looking for any of the products, please follow me on Instagram. Here is my Instagram ID, and also the link is given down on the description, so go and follow me there. And so we are at the end of this haul, so I am left with only the last product, and the last product I have with me is the Good Vibe Plus, sorry for the packaging, argan and coconut serum. It says that it's frizz free and nourishing hair serum. So my hairs are like those ganda bachchas who doesn't listen to their parents. My hair are like this, so never can I style my hair properly, and basically जिस दिन बाहर जाना होता है, my hair is like, my hair goes on their own way. And so I bought this oil just to tame my hairs, and also I have a serious hair fall issue. This I think does not provide any hair growth or something. It's just a hair serum. It comes with a pump. So here is the serum. It comes out like this. Now is not the time to like give you a perfect review on this. It will be working better if I wash my hair and then I apply this, then I can give you a proper review on this. So the 3 things that I need to try for a longer time is this one, the almond facial oil, and also the activated charcoal. So these 3 products are the products that I need to try for some more time, and then I can give a proper review. The 3 products that I am recommending you guys is first will be this face wash. I loved it, I really loved it. The second will be this toner, and the third product that I will be recommending is this Good Vibes Papaya serum, and also I will be recommending you this gel. This is my go-to gel from now. So yes, so that's it for the haul. I think you liked it. I think you liked my review, and this is my skin after trying few of the skincare products. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. Please do subscribe to my channel. I need your help, I need your support to grow. And that's it for the video. I hope you liked it. Thank you. Bye bye.